Okay, this is from the review pack. This is the most approachable problems, paper 1, number 8. It says we need to consider this binomial expansion. X plus 1 to the 7th is that. Show that b is 21. Got it. So we're looking to find the third term in the expansion. So the third term in my expansion is here. So the coefficient on that b coefficient is 7, choose 2. Because this is 7, choose 0, which is 1. And this is 7, choose 1, which is 7. We just need to do 7, choose 2. 7, choose 2 is 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 7 minus 2 factorial. Writing that out, I have 7 times 6 times 2 times 5 factorial all over 2 times 5 factorial. My 5 factorials cancel. This 2 cancels. Why is there a 2 there? There shouldn't be a 2 there. I wrote this down wrong. Haha, good times. Times 5 factorial, and this is 2 times 5 factorial. Those cancel, and I'm left with, and that cancels down to 3. So the answer should be 21. Got it. All right, next, the third term in the expansion is the mean of the second term and the fourth term in the expansion. Find the possible values of x. Well, the third term we just saw was 21x to the 5th. And that has to equal the mean of the second and the fourth term. Well, the second term is 7x to the 6th. And then I'm going to add to that the fourth term, which is 35x to the 4th. And if I take all of that and I divide it by 2, I'll have the mean of those two values. Okay? Right. So that tells me that 42x to the 5th is the same as 7x to the 6th plus 35x to the 4th. Bringing everything to one side, I would end up with negative 7x to the 6th plus 42x to the 5th minus 35x to the 4th is 0. Whenever we solve a polynomial, we have to make it equal to 0. I can factor out x to the 4th from all of those terms. Actually, I can factor out negative 7x to the 4th. So I'd have negative 7x to the 4th times x squared minus 6x plus 5. So my options are either this equals 0, in which case x is 0, or this equals 0. Well, that's factorable, I think. That's x, two numbers that multiply together equal to positive 5, but when I add them I get negative 6. Well, that's minus 5 and x minus 1. So that equals 0. So I've got x can be 0, x can be 5, or x can be 1. Just need to look up at the thing. And we're told here that x cannot be 0. So we're going to discard this answer. So the two possible values of x are 1 and 5. So it's either 5 or 1. Hope that's helpful.